big day today. This is about a 2-hour session. We're going to be call options all day, but we're going to show you what options are to start with. Eric's going to talk about risk, which he understands extremely well. I'm going to talk about selling, which I love to do, and Eric's going to talk about buying, which he's been very successful at. And then we're going to go and think or swim. We've got a little bit of homework for you, and we've got some bonus material at the end of it, which explains a lot of the terms you'll hear in the options community. Session 2, Greeks and puts, and then vertical spreads and advanced points of entry over the next 3 weeks.